Hi guys, welcome to back my channel. Today I am making a pumpkin with you. This is my new channel. Please share and subscribe me. I need your support and appreciation. So let's start project number 1. First I took 16 blocks and make two sets, and each set consists of 8 blocks, and two blocks joined side by side with glue. Second step, I took 24 blocks and make two sets of 12 blocks, and each set of consists of 3 blocks joined side by side with glue. Now I join 4 set of 12 blocks, make one column and join side by side with glue. And second 8 blocks made second column join with glue side by side, and repeat the process and make a pumpkin shape. In the last I painted it. For painting I took orange color and mixed with white and grey and get a very beautiful color. It become very nice orange color. Tell me in the comments how did you like orange color. I place mini block on the pumpkin. I got a wooden sticker from dollar store. It's very beautiful. I glued the stem on it. Let's start second project. I took 4 blocks and make 2 sets of 1 block. Join side by side with glue. And second pumpkin I took 8 blocks and made 2 sets of 4 blocks and joined side by side with glue. And third one I took 12 blocks and make 2 sets of 3 blocks joined side by side with glue. Three or four set of joined together, and 4 set of joined together, 2 set of 1 joined together. I bought the wooden pumpkin from dollar store, so I put on it. It looks nice. So please tell me, how did you like my pumpkin? Thank you watching my channel.